Hi lovelies, and welcome back to my channel. And on today's episode I'm going to show you how to make 3 ingredients melt in your mouth chewy chocolate chip cookies in 5 minutes. Did you see how it looks? That is the transformation. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. So first thing first, I'll be dicing my chocolate bar into smaller pieces so that it can infuse well when I do all the mixtures. And here is the packet of my chocolate bar. And then after that, I'll be putting 2.5 tablespoons of butter. And remember, we're using spoon for measurement. And after that, I'll be putting in 2.5 tablespoons of brown sugar and 3 tablespoons of granulated sugar, making 5.5 tablespoons of sugar. Please remember, all list of ingredients will be in the description box. So also I added in a pinch of salt and I mixed all together. And into this, I'm going to be cracking 1 fresh egg at room temperature, and that's just what I added. And after that, I will mix a little and then add in my vanilla flavor. The vanilla flavor will enhance the flavor of this great recipe. And here it is. I'm just gonna drop that into the mixture, and after that, people, I will just stir and stir. I hope you all are enjoying the spoon measurements because it makes life very easy. So on top of this, we'll be adding in 13 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, nicely sieved. And at the same time, we'll add in a teaspoon of baking powder. Remember, all list of ingredients will be left in the description box. So at this point, if you haven't liked this video, tell me what you're waiting for. Make sure you like this video, share, comment at the end, and also don't forget to do subscribe to this channel in case you are new. Turn on the post notification bell so that you'll be among the first to be notified anytime I upload new videos. So look at, I just added in that teaspoon of baking powder, and this is all we'll be needing. We are just going to stir and stir until all the wet and dry ingredients has been nicely combined. Then we'll be adding in our chocolate chips. Look at that. That was the one we did, we chopped, and this is the topsies, chocolate topsies, and we'll also be adding that. We are just going to mix this together, and the next session you'll be seeing is how we are going to boil this into the baking tray. Okay, please remember to wear your hand gloves so that it will be nicely done and everything well cleaned. Okay, so at this point, I want to say a huge thank you to all my returning subscribers, and to my new subscribers, you're highly welcome. And if you're watching for the first time, please remember to tell me your name and the location you're watching from so that I can give you a beautiful shout out in my next video. Okay, so here I'm just scooping this into my hand, and I just rubbed and place it on the baking tray. These are all the sections. Just keep watching, don't skip this video, enjoy it to the end, and let me know in the comment section what you're taking this down with. So here I'm just putting in the chocolate topsies so that it can have that finished look of chocolate on top of it when it's done baking. Remember, we are baking at 180 degrees. The bake time is between 15 to 20 minutes. So remember, after this time, this will be in the refrigerator for 30 to 45 minutes. Then we will bring it out again to come and put in the oven. And I say, like this video in case you haven't. Look at how it's looking. Look at that eyes of a chocolate. So after 45 minutes, I brought it out and showed you again. And then I put it into the oven. After 20 minutes, this is ready, and here it is. Our chewy chocolate chip cookies is ready, and I hope you're ready to take this down with me. Remember, this is winter time and we are always drinking enough tea, and this is ideal for our tea taking. I hope you understand. Pack this in your lunch box, take it along. Eat it as snacks on the way as you drive, and you can actually choose to study. Did you see that? It is a diversified recipe. So if you know this has met your expectation, please remember to give a sounding comment at the end of this video. I'm just setting this to take my thumbnail. I hope you know. Check it out, people. This is really chewy. This is really soft. This is really fluffy. This is really, I don't know what to say again, but this gave us what we wanted. And people, I hope someone is going to try this out. Try it out and give me a thank back. Look at it all. So on a good and pleasant note, people, it will be a great pleasure to have your beautiful and gorgeous looking faces in the next episode of Mom Essy Kitchen and more. Remember, I love you all, but in all, God loves you most. See you all in the next one. Bye bye.